Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to install the 70996 generic 20 amp GFCI into the 39453 GFI cover and receptacle. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver. Parts you will need: 70996 generic 20 amp GFCI and a 39453 GFCI cover and receptacle. The 70996 generic 20 amp GFCI is wired upside down. To plug it in with the cord facing downward, you must turn the receptacle upside down. Step 1. Loosen the two screws holding the receptacle in place. Step 2. Turn the 20 amp receptacle upside down. Step 3. Install the two receptacle screws and tighten them down. Step 4. Plug in your new 20 amp GFCI. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.